What's up everybody? In today's video I will be showing you how to download the latest version of Python. So the first step is to open your browser. Next you want to type in Python into Google. Once you type in Python into Google, you want to click on the first link that says welcome to python.org. Once the page loads, you will be on a page that looks similar to this. You will then see an About tab, a Downloads tab, Documentation, Community, etc. You want to hit on the Downloads tab. You will now be on a page that says download the latest version for Windows. If you are not on Windows and are on a different OS such as Linux, Mac, or Chrome OS, then you want to hit on one of these links below. Otherwise, you want to hit download Python 3.7.1. Once your download is complete, you want to hit on open. You will now be shown a setup window that looks like this that says install Python 3.7.1 or whatever version you are currently downloading. You will also see an install now button as well as a custom installation. In this video, we will just be hitting install. We won't bother with the custom installation. But before we hit the install now button, we want to hit add Python to path. Once you've hit add Python to path, you want to hit install now. You will then be shown a notification that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You will hit yes. Now all we have to do is wait for the installation to complete. Once your installation is complete, you will now be shown on your window that the setup was successful. You can now close out this window. Now that you have installed Python, whatever version that you are on, you will now have access to all of the Python libraries as well as the Python terminal and the Python shell. In order to access the Python terminal, all you have to do is type in Python. The terminal is just an easy way just for you to type in certain functions and commands, but it's not as helpful as the Python shell, as when you're typing it doesn't tell you what you can type in exactly. So I'm going to show you how to get to the Python shell as well. To get to the Python shell, you have to type in idle. The Python shell is just an easier way to use the terminal, in my opinion, because it's just easier to do other things, such as like when you're typing in a function, such as the print function. When you type it in and you put in your first bracket, it will tell you what you can type in, such as the value and other things that you can type in, such as end and file and plus. It still outputs the same. It does everything else that the terminal does, except it's more helpful to use the Python shell. And that is how you install Python on Windows. Thank you guys for watching.